How to log in eToro account. So if you wish to log into your eToro account, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, make sure you launch the eToro app, and this is normally the type of interface that you're going to be able to see. Now what you want to do from here is you can simply go ahead and then tap the continue button if you do not yet have an account and would like to create it. But if you already have an account, tap an option that says sign in at the very bottom of the screen. Just make sure to enter the email address or the username that was associated with your eToro account. Then go ahead and then type in your password. Once done, you can tap the sign in button over there to sign in successfully to your eToro account. If you had also linked your account using Google or Facebook, you can also go ahead and then log in using those details as well. And this way you will be able to log into eToro. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.